Man, what's the name of y'all club, man?
The Mob MC, Clean Texas.
Clean Texas.
All down. That's what's up.
What's your name, man?
P13.
B13?
P13.
P13. That's what's up, man.
Hey, how you doing, man? P9, Clean Texas, the Mob.
That's what's up, man.
I'm trying to tell you, man. Aquaman,
yes,
baby.
Sir. Definitely, man. Yeah, I'm gonna walk over to a couple more of my subscribers over here, man. And I want y'all to introduce y'all name, man. What city you from? How long you been in the city? Yes, and what y'all doing sitting up here at Black Gold Holidays?
My name is Rob Smith. I live here in McKinney. I've been checking you out for a little while. I'm impressed about your videos. In fact, I'm trying to make my own.
Hey, man. It's easy, man. Get it started.
My bike is right behind me.
That baby is clean, too.
2013 Street Glide.
I'm about to definitely show it.
And I'm Brian from Dallas, born and raised, and we just chilling out. Got a 2015 Black Street Glide.
Well, that's you right over there?
Yes, sir.
Man, we in man, I'm right here in Princeton, man. We just had to get together and ride, bro.
I knew you were somewhere close.
Yeah, I used to live in McKinney. We just bought a house out there 2020 in Princeton. So yeah, man.
So you say you're from Texas? What part?
Yeah, I mean, I'm from Tyler, Texas, but I live here.
Okay, so you probably know DC Brown.
Yeah.
But I don't know if he's still living or not. I'm good friends with his daughter, Kim Brown.
Okay.
Yeah, Tyler.
Yes, sir. Yes, definitely, man. Man, y'all bikes are clean, though, bro. I think I heard your system when you Traveling Tall came. I watched the video.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, see, I'm trying to get them chrome forks, too. Yes, yeah. Man, y'all see that, man.
Both of us was on that video.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
This red just stood out to me when I saw you, man. Man. Oh, yeah. Look at the bikes, baby. And you said, what year is this?
2013.
Ooh, don't look like it, bro. That baby is sweet.
The showroom clean.
Ooh, look at this. Man, you just got to watch that bike this morning, didn't you? Man, y'all bikes is right, man. Oh, man. Look at that, y'all. Look at the detail on the bike, baby. Hey, man. Y'all got some sweet bikes. I see the custom dynamics up there, right?
Yes, sir.
Clockworks.
Appreciate it.
Oh, man. I appreciate y'all subscribing to my channel, bro. Man, thank y'all very much.
I ain't done it yet, as soon as I get home.
Hey, man, definitely, man. Appreciate you,
yes,
guys.
sir. Yes, sir.
All right. Yeah, man, that's a couple of subscribers right there, man. And some said they're going to subscribe when they get home, man. So, hey, man, that's a blessing. I just came up to Black Gold. I'm always up here, see what they got new, see what they got going on. And they had a little something going on. I got a buddy in here that works for the same company I work, and they feeding people with pizza and all that kind of stuff. Hey, how you doing? So, yeah. Y'all see right here, I got quite a few people here. Yep, they always do something. Somebody say so, they right in front of the bell, so I guess they somebody done bought them a bike. So yeah, everybody here chilling. And more Julius is back. Oh man. Yeah, I got to get them wheels. But they don't have it in a 21 though. That's the only thing. But yeah. I'm gonna go back here, holler at the people. And some of my friends. I work for me a crack. What's going on, man? Yeah, I gotta get you in there, man. We work together, bro. So you on here, dog. You gonna be on my page. What's your name, man?
I'm Chris. It's Chris.
Okay.
I'm GP. Of course, you know me.
So yeah, man, they up there feed everybody in. So man, I can't forget y'all back, man. They support Harley big time. So yeah. Let me see the name. You got the name of the. Yeah, man, let's see. I'm gonna check on the part that I ordered, see if it's gonna come in yet. See if Jewel's in here. So yeah. Black Gold always got something going on here, y'all. Always. But they got a nice inventory if y'all looking for bikes. That's one thing I can say about Black Gold. They keep a nice inventory, man. Look at that. 117 on that baby. Let me see what year this is. It's a CVO 2019, y'all. 2019. trying to check on the part that I have up here. Here's another one, y'all. This the one that caught my eye, y'all. Look at the color in that bag. 117 also. This is a 2019 also. 39. Yeah. This is a nice CBO here also. Nice CBO. Man, I've been trying to go with lures. I'm not sure if I want to put lures on the road glide. I like the way they look and I don't like the way they look. So man, y'all tell me should I put them on? I know they're good for the winter time, and when it rains you won't get so wet, hopefully. But yeah, y'all tell me about should I get lures or not. Gotta holler at my boy Bryce. Hey man, I heard you got a stage 2, man.
Huh?
I heard you got a stage 2.
Stage 2, dude. On the way, bro.
I hear you.
Good.
Does it?
You need to hear it.
Your bike getting pissed on the other night.
You need to hear it. Yeah, I know. My bike did get pissed on
Really?
by a sprinkler.
Show me the video.
You should see it. Yeah, I mean, show it to you. Where's Danny? Hang on. I gotta call him the phone.
I want to hear it, man, before I leave, man.
Yeah.
Definitely. I'm just showing some more of the bikes, man, before I get up out of here. Man, they got pizza up in here. They got all kind of stuff going on. Some good food, man. Oh, I like that. Oh, that's the Venom. Snake Venom. Oh, I like the seat. Sweet. Sweet. Yes, sir. Oh, they got some bikes, man. Yep.
If that's what it is.
Hey, this racing bike over here. Hey y'all, I just gotta show this bike right here. I don't know what it is. I just walked up on it. Y'all look at that. Look at that baby there. Oh my gosh. What is this? My first time seeing this. Nice bike. We'll lower this baby. Oh, it's a Yamaha. Yeah. Yamaha, that baby is clean, y'all. What y'all think about that Yamaha right there? That boy right. So yeah, man. That's my dude Keith bike right here. Yeah. Hey, but stay tuned, y'all. What's up, everybody? Man, I'm getting ready to leave Black Gold. Had a nice little time out here. I didn't stay long. Just came out to see a couple of friends that worked with me. Told me they was gonna be here. Just want to see what was going down, and I got quite a few friends up in there in Black Gold too. Anyway, so. It's always good to come and see friends. So I knew they was having a little something up here, giving away free pizza and stuff like that. Told me about it at work, and I'm out to support anybody that's trying to do the right thing. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, it's always good to get out just a little bit and ride, man. Enjoy the wind therapy, man. Hey, y'all, I'm gonna tell y'all, this SoundStream radio is nice, y'all. I'm loving it. Yep, I'm loving the SoundStream. Definitely. Hey, if you're in the market for a radio for your bike, SoundStream Radio HD is where it's at. And I'm getting quite a few compliments on my saddlebag guards, and they do just bring out everything. They bring out my handlebars, my engine guard, cause you know they all black. Everything just comes out perfect, man. So yeah, I'm just finna ride a little bit. Don't know where I'm going. I'm just out. Go grab me something to eat and just chill for a little while, you know what I'm saying? Get out the heat, baby. Get out the heat. Oh yeah. Kong is running good, y'all. Running awesome. So what do y'all have planned for the 4th of July? What is, I think I'm gonna put something on the grill. I don't know what, but I'm planning on putting something on the grill probably tomorrow morning when I'm gonna do it. Then I might do it later on tonight. I just gotta find out what kind of meat I'm gonna put on there. But yeah, y'all, I'm still looking for the right 21-inch for my bike. Man, I'm real matchy. I'm real picky when it comes to picking certain stuff for my bike and my truck. You know, even on my clothes, I'm very picky. Y'all fill me in, what y'all think? What do y'all think? Y'all tell me what wheel you're rocking on your bike. Let me know. Give a brother some ideas. Yes, I definitely want the 21. That's a nice looking wheel. And then when I get through getting my wheels, that's pretty much I'm gonna be doing on my bike, unless I decide to put lures on here, but I don't think I'm gonna put any lures on here. But then after that, I'm gonna do some more motor work. Probably do a stage 3 on my bike. So stay tuned, man. Stay tuned. It's a beautiful day. It's not too hot. We got the wind blowing a little bit. You know, it's always good when that wind blowing when it's hot outside. Y'all see the blue arm sleeves? I'm rocking the blue arm sleeves, baby, today. When I got them off of Amazon, I had somebody ask me about my arm sleeves. You can get like a 3-pack. You can choose your own colors for like, I think that's 16 or 17 bucks. Or you can buy just one if you want to. But it's always good just to get the 3-pack, because you get a choice. Whatever color you wear, you can rock it with it. Get y'all some arm sleeves for this heat out here. And man, one thing I like about it, these arm sleeves, they really keep your arm cool. They keep your arm cool. Especially if you don't want a tan out here while you ride your bike. You know, some people want that tan, but not me. I'm black enough. I am not trying to get any blacker. Do y'all hear me? Not trying to do it. I ain't gonna be able to do it, baby. But hey, I'm finna ride around and kick it, see what's going down. So man, y'all enjoy this day. And tomorrow, man, y'all get up and go to church and give God some of your time. You know what I'm saying? Give him some of your time, definitely. Let him know how you appreciate him for just waking you up, you know. The little thing. I don't say that's little, but I'm just saying, just for waking up, that's a big blessing. To get another chance to do something positive, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I am loving, like I say, my bike. Like I say, I got a few more upgrades coming. I'm looking at different fenders and different wheels right now, and those will probably be the last 2 things that I'm gonna probably add to the bike besides doing the motor work. But for the outside, and y'all see the outside looking good, you know, Cone looking good as he want to look, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, look like it's gonna get some rain. It's kind of cloudy. Yeah, it's a little cloudy out here. So yeah, I'm just enjoying it. I know a lot of people don't like to ride when it's hot. They be talking about it's too hot. But man, you know, it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? I like riding, you know. As long as I'm not stuck in traffic when it's real hot, I'm okay with that, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, y'all get out and ride. I know a lot of people say ride early in the morning or whatever, or ride late in the evening. You know, I started to go ride early this morning, but you know, I had things to take care of around the house, you know what I'm saying? Preload to keep it loaded, baby. But yeah, I'm gonna end this video right here, man, and I appreciate y'all watching me, watching the channel. My channel is growing because of you all, and man, I met some of my subscribers today at Black Gold Harley. That was awesome to meet some of your subscribers. Yeah, hey man, I just thank God, man. You know, God blessing the channel to grow. So yeah, until next time, man, y'all stay up and y'all have a blessing, all right? Peace, I'm out.